Not one of you, and not you, had to live through what I lived through. Let's talk about your cousin, Roman Reigns, for a minute. I turned him into the tribal chief. We were the undisputed WWE champion, and I'm not the one that blew it by getting beat by Cody Rhodes. He lost the title that I spent 5 years of my life, and then what did he do? Leaves me in the hands of Solo and Jacob Fatu and those Tongans who put me through a table in Madison Square Garden, and he didn't come back to avenge me. He came back to get his Ulasala back. But I betrayed Roman Reigns, right? I betrayed Roman Reigns. No, it's always Paul Heyman. I'm always the liar. I'm always at fault. I'm the betrayer. Not this time. I'm right. I'm right.